Imagine waking up tomorrow and all your files are locked. Your photos, documents, everything, gone. A message pops up demanding thousands of dollars or your data disappears forever. This isn't a movie, this is ransomware, and it's hitting thousands of organizations every single day. But here's the crazy part. You can defend against it completely free. No expensive software, no monthly subscriptions. In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to protect yourself using a tool that security experts use, and it won't cost you a single dollar. By the end of this video, you'll know more about ransomware defense than most IT professionals. So if you value your data, keep watching because what I'm about to share could save you from a nightmare. Ransomware is malicious software that encrypts your files and demands money to unlock them. It spreads across networks in minutes through phishing emails, unpatched vulnerabilities, or weak passwords. This is where Wazuh comes to the rescue. So what is Wazuh? It's a free and open source security platform that monitors everything 24/7. It combines XDR, which is Extended Detection and Response, with SIEM, which is Security Information and Event Management. It detects threats and analyzes security events in real time, completely free with no license fees. Now let's talk about how Wazuh actually protects you from ransomware. It uses multiple detection methods working together. First, it has malware detection using threat intelligence feeds to identify known ransomware variants by comparing suspicious files against databases. Second, it performs vulnerability scanning to find security holes in your systems, like outdated software that ransomware loves to exploit. Third, it does log analysis by collecting logs from your computers, servers, cloud systems, and network devices, then analyzing them in real time. Fourth, and this is super important, it has file integrity monitoring, or FIEM, that watches critical files and directories, so if ransomware tries to encrypt your files, Wazuh catches it immediately. And fifth, it monitors your security configurations to ensure systems follow best practices, like proper firewall rules and disabled unnecessary services. Let me show you a real-world example with DOGE Big Balls ransomware. Yes, that's the actual name. This ransomware enters through phishing emails or unpatched vulnerabilities, then performs reconnaissance by gathering information about your network, using commands like systeminfo, netusers, ipconfig, and netstat. It escalates privileges to get admin access, then encrypts your files and drops ransom notes. Here's where Wazuh shines. It has custom detection rules that watch for these specific reconnaissance commands. When Wazuh sees these commands executed in a suspicious pattern, it immediately raises alerts. Even better, when it detects the ransomware creating log files or ransom notes like README, Wazuh can automatically isolate the infected machine, block the malicious process, and quarantine suspicious files. You don't even need to be at your computer. Wazuh handles it automatically in seconds. Let's look at another example. Gunra ransomware. This one is particularly nasty because it uses double-extortion. First, it steals your data, then encrypts your files, and finally threatens to publish your stolen data if you don't pay. It encrypts files, adding the encrypts extension, leaves ransom notes named r3adm3.txt, deletes Windows shadow copies, which are your backup files, disables antivirus and backup services, and uses Tor networks to hide the attacker's identity. Wazuh catches this by detecting the creation of those r3adm3.txt ransom notes, deletion of shadow copies, tampering with system components, and suspicious network activity. The moment any of these activities happen, you get alerted immediately. Now here's my favorite feature, Wazuh's active response system. Imagine ransomware is detected on one computer. With active response, the infected machine is automatically isolated from the network. The malicious process is killed immediately, suspicious files are quarantined, and all actions are logged for investigation. This happens in seconds, not minutes or hours. By the time you get the alert, Wazuh has already stopped the attack. It also integrates with Yara, a powerful malware identification tool. Wazuh monitors directories in real time, and when a new or modified file appears, it triggers a Yara scan. If Yara finds the file matches known ransomware signatures, Wazuh automatically deletes it and logs the action. It's like having an automatic security system that not only detects intruders but kicks them out. So let me summarize the key takeaways. Wazuh is free and open source, giving you enterprise security without the cost. It uses multiple detection methods, including malware signatures, vulnerability scanning, and log analysis. It provides real-time monitoring, catching ransomware as it happens. It has automated response that stops attacks without human intervention. And it works with other tools, integrating with Yara and threat intelligence feeds. The bottom line is, Wazuh gives you professional-grade ransomware protection without spending thousands of dollars. Remember, though, you also need to follow best practices like training employees about phishing, keeping systems updated, hand-patched, using strong passwords with multi-factor authentication, backing up regularly with offline backups, and monitoring continuously using tools like Wazuh. All right, everyone, that's it for today. We covered how Wazuh defends against ransomware using detection rules, file monitoring, and automated response, and we looked at real examples like DOGE Big Balls and Gunra ransomware. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for future security tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.